Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to link a Squarespace blog post to an external URL. This is a fantastic feature when you want to direct your readers to content hosted elsewhere, whether it's a product page, a partner site, or any external resource you'd like to share. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to squarespace.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the website you want to edit, as this ensures you have the proper permissions to make changes. After logging in, you'll land on your Squarespace dashboard. This is where all your websites are displayed. From here, simply click on the website where you want to link a blog post to an external URL. This will take you into that specific site's management area where you can make all sorts of adjustments and updates. Now look over to the left side menu. This is your main navigation panel for editing your site. Click on Website, and then directly underneath it, you'll see an option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on Pages. This section is where all your site's content is organized, including your blog posts, which is exactly what we need to access. Once you're in the Pages section, locate your blog page from the list. It might be labeled as blog or posts, depending on how you've set up your site. Click on it to expand and view all your individual blog posts. Here's where it gets specific. Find the blog post you want to link to an external URL. Beside that post, you'll notice three dots, which is the Options menu. Click on those three dots, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Settings. This opens up the configuration options for that particular blog post. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the field labeled Source URL. This is the key feature that allows you to redirect your blog post. Simply paste the external URL you want to link to directly into this field. Make sure the URL is complete and accurate to avoid any broken links or misdirection for your readers. Right below the Source URL field, you'll see an option that says Link Post Title to Source URL. You'll want to enable this toggle. By enabling it, you're ensuring that when someone clicks on your blog post title, they'll be taken directly to the external URL you just entered, rather than to the post itself on your Squarespace site. Once you've pasted the URL and enabled the toggle, click Save at the bottom of the Settings panel. This will apply all your changes and ensure the external link is now active. You've now successfully redirected your Squarespace blog post to an external URL, making it easy to share content hosted elsewhere. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.